My name's Stuart Nevison. I'm the chairman of Globe Enterprises Ltd, and today we've hosted a meeting of local business members for the Amazing Accrington. The whole idea of Amazing Accrington is excellent, and many facilities and many organisations in this area, whether it be Burnley or Blackburn, have their own bondholder facilities, and it would be really nice to see Accrington having a similar amount of enthusiasm between the business leaders. And one of the things that I was asked to do today was to explain a little bit of my original history in electronics in a company that probably many people didn't know existed in this area. And I think there are many companies in the Hyndburn, North East Lancashire area that really hide their light under bushels, and it will be great to have them exposed in something like Amazing Accrington.
My name's Stephen Chippendale, this is Jamie Allen. We're both joint managing directors of Property Shop in Accrington on Little Blackburn Road, where we run a property management company, and we've probably for the last several years we've sort of been under radar. Happy to sort of jump on board to help promote businesses in the borough. So we'll definitely be coming back.
My name's Stuart Rogan, I'm from HML Recycling. We're predominantly a metals recycler based in Huncourt. This is our first Amazing Accrington meeting. We're here on the back of our sponsorship with Accrington Stanley. We just signed a 3-year deal to sponsor one of the main stands there. Just attended the meeting today. Really interesting story from Stuart Nevison, the developer of the Globe Centre, and from the council leaders and the other speakers. Very good to meet a lot of like-minded business leaders who want to make a difference for the town, and definitely be back to the next meeting, and a good time to be involved in an Accrington business.